Hey guys, if you're an entrepreneur, have you ever wondered if there was an affordable program that could create almost any marketing material you might ever need? Well, if so, you're in luck. I have great news for you. Affinity Publisher is just the program you're looking for. With its page layout, vector, and photo editing capabilities, Affinity Publisher is the program you need to create almost all of your small business's marketing materials. As a designer and user of the software, I know that it has all the features you need to make your company memorable. Just to clear the elephant in the room, I've used the Adobe suite for about the past 10 years, and while it does the job, as a businesswoman and entrepreneur, I believe the features of Affinity Publisher make it excellent for designers, and the pricing makes it excellent and accessible to non-designers as well. Everyone just needs someone to teach them how to use it. And that's what my course is all about. Throughout the course, I'll be teaching you the software in 3 modules. Module 1 is about creating and setting up the document. I'll be teaching you about the user interface and how to navigate through and find things within the app. And if you're wondering what all those little buttons and the symbols are at the top of the screen, I'm going to tell you how to find out. I'm also going to teach you how to change the units and preferences, as well as the document specifications. I'm also going to teach you how to customize your workspace so that you can easily access the tools you regularly use. Module 2 is about designing and changing the document. Now, this is by far the meat of the course, so it's definitely the longest module. So to make it a little more digestible, I've broken it up into several chapters. So chapter 1 is all about text. It's going to include things like editing the text, making the text seamlessly flow between text boxes or pages, and character and paragraph styles, what those are, and how they can make your life a whole lot easier. So chapter 2 is all about images. It's about placing and replacing images, quickly and easily editing images even if you don't have Affinity Photo, how to adjust the images, and how to format and space your objects. Chapter 3 is going to be all about colors. Now, you may not think there's a lot to teach about color, but the Affinity team has added some excellent and very useful color features. So this module is going to include the obvious things like changing the colors, changing the color modes, and changing the color values, but also making the colors reusable throughout your specific document, in the application, Affinity Publisher, and the Affinity system, which is all of the apps in the Affinity suite, including Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. It's also going to teach things like global colors, like what they are and how to use them, and a whole lot more. And then chapter 4 is all about shapes. So this is going to include things like creating and editing lines and shapes, a quick pen tool tutorial, which is creating custom lines and shapes, and a bonus, how to practice using the pen tool. And then the final module, module 3, is going to be all about converting and exporting the document. So that's going to include things like the finalization of the file, like output formats, how to output for print, how to output for web, and whatever you intend on using the document for. So once again, thank you for your interest in this course. If you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit and download the link below to show your interest in taking the course. Thanks for watching.